Welcome to National Water a Flower Day, celebrated annually on May 30th. This is a day to appreciate the beauty in nature and show some love to our green friends. Join us as we explore the history of the day, the benefits of watering flowers, and how to make the most of this special occasion. The origins of National Water a Flower Day are unknown, but it's believed to have started as a way to encourage people to care for their gardens and appreciate the beauty of nature. Today, the day is celebrated around the world as a way to promote environmental awareness and encourage people to care for their plants. Watering flowers is not just about making them look pretty. It's a vital part of plant care and helps them grow strong and healthy. Watering can help plants absorb nutrients from the soil and keep their roots healthy. It also helps prevent pests and diseases from taking hold. In addition, watering flowers is a calming and relaxing activity that can reduce stress and improve mental health. There are many ways to celebrate National Water a Flower Day. You can start by simply watering your own plants or visiting a local garden to admire the beauty of nature. You can also create your own flower arrangement or give a bouquet to someone special. Another idea is to volunteer at a community garden or park and help care for the plants there. No matter how you choose to celebrate, the important thing is to take some time to appreciate the natural beauty around us. Did you know that flowers have their own language? In the Victorian era, people would use different flowers to convey different messages. For example, a red rose meant love, while a yellow rose symbolized friendship. Another fun fact is that the world's largest flower is the Rafflesia arnoldi, which can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and weigh up to 15 pounds. That's one big flower. As we celebrate National Water a Flower Day on May 30th, let's take some time to appreciate the natural beauty around us and care for our green friends. Whether you have a garden of your own or simply appreciate the beauty of flowers, this is a day to celebrate and promote environmental awareness. So grab a watering can and show some love to your plants. Happy National Water a Flower Day.